Hey Biscuits! Welcome back to another cleaning video. So today I felt really inspired to go around the house and do a bunch of cleaning tasks to prep for some deep cleaning I'm going to do for autumn. So I'm changing the bed sheets, I'm getting some sweeping done, some dishes put away, and I'm going to show you some of my tips for getting more longevity out of your broom. I really like to try and get all my cleaning supplies or cleaning tools to last as long as I can get them. To me, that's really important. I really want to, reduce my waste without having to spend extra money, right? It saves me money. It's a good thing. Um, so first, I'm going to get all the dishes done. Oh my God, it is never ending. Between laundry, dishes, and just sweeping, I swear that could take up my whole day, and then the house would be a lot sparklier than it generally is. I'm getting back into cleaning this summer. I kind of wasn't doing as much deep cleaning and tidying as I would normally do. Each season I like to do a deep clean. So this year I'm going to do a big old multi-part deep clean of all the little nooks and crannies in my house. So over the next couple weeks you'll see those. I haven't filmed them yet. I haven't done the cleaning yet, but this is kind of my plan for the next couple weeks is to do deep cleaning. And to let yourself have a schedule for deep cleaning, what I've found is that I have to do the basics first. I have to make sure the dishes are in the right spots so that I can clean the cabinets. I have to make sure that my floor is swept so that I can do the deep scrubbing and mopping, and that's really important to me. Now, I love organizing cabinets, and as if you have seen over the last, I don't even know how many months has it been, 3-4 months or something, my cabinets are still not fixed. The cabinet guys that installed them, that the builder should have fixed them, was going to, kept saying they were going to, and it's just never going to do it. They're so unethical. So I am planning an IKEA trip at some point when I can afford it to buy some new cabinets to reinstall that are not ripped apart. But in the meantime, my plan is to take down the cabinets that are falling down, that are propped up, so that I have my counter space back without paint tins on them because they've been there for forever, and it makes it hard to clean when you have things propping up your cabinets, and I can't use them. So you'll notice when I'm cleaning my house that there's like a bunch of bags of cups and things that would normally be in cabinets by my front door, by my little shoe bench. So that's kind of part of my other fall bits, not just deep cleaning, but also getting all the projects that I've been waiting for help on, realizing I'm not going to get that, to just do it myself, DIY it on the cheap, on a budget. So I'm also going to show you some of that when I do it. I'm not sure when that's going to happen. I'm hoping sometime soon. It really just depends on my budget because it's unexpected expenses. But I do like at least getting the dishes put away that there's room for. The dishes that I don't have room for in my cabinet are right now going in like a free box I got at Costco that's just sitting on my shoe bench. So, organize the way you can. I love seeing organizing videos and organizing posts on Instagram, but a lot of the time it just feels very unrealistic to me because you could easily spend $1,000 to $3,000 or $4,000 on just organizing supplies to organize your things. And I really feel like that in a way is kind of wasteful because it's great to have an organized space, but who has an extra $4,000 laying around to buy all the pieces you need for a perfectly organized cupboard? So I just try to organize it naturally. I stack dishes. I'm not afraid of that. They don't each need their own little separate thing. So I have my own organization technique. I have a little thing that holds my spatulas by my stove, which was inexpensive and easy organization. So I hope that some of my videos inspire you to be organized, but in a realistic way, because sometimes it's this aspirational, weird, out of touch thing that people they fantasize about organizing, but because it's so high-handed, few people are ever going to do it. I think it's totally possible to be pretty organized and pretty tidy in your house without reaching perfection. This has been a really busy season for me personally, and so I've just accepted that my house is a little bit messier than I would like it because I simply haven't had the time to do my regular once or twice a week deep cleans that I would normally do, or to sit down and do big organizing projects. So, part of it's about giving ourselves a little bit of grace in all this cleaning and craziness, because this year has been hectic and insane, and I really try to be gentle on myself because I'm like, you know what? I can only have so many balls up in the air at a time before I drop them all. And I'd rather be able to juggle a couple balls pretty well than to drop them all, you know? Okay, let's keep cleaning. Oh yeah, I'm gonna turn on some music. Boom, let's shake it, let's dance. Oh yeah, dancing is how I get through my cleaning because I love it. Okay, I don't know about you, biscuits. Shameful admittance time, which sounds like a strange mental hospital in the olden days. My trash can gets disgusting. Maybe that's because, you know, small human beings like to rub food all over it. I don't know how it gets so dirty. I clean it all the time, but sometimes I just got to take the lid off and scrub the heck out of it. I think I'm going to use one of the brushes that I just bought. Expect a cleaning haul. It's coming out because I just got a ton of new cleaning supplies so that I can do detail work, because my brushes kind of ran out. I don't know where they went. I guess I used them all and they just were run down. It really makes a difference. It makes the kitchen smell better, and I just like knowing that little crevasses and nooks and crannies are clean. It's my crazy little clean brain. That's just what I want to focus on. Is I really like that. I can take disorganized a little bit with toys all over or snacks out, but I hate knowing that there's nooks and crannies in my house that aren't spotlessly scrubbed. So that's why I like to do the garbage tops. And I also like to put in the bottom of my garbage can a little bit of baking soda just to neutralize any odors. I regularly rinse out the bucket that goes in my trash can that holds the trash bag. And in warm weather or in a sunny climate, like where I live, you can actually put the rinsed out can outside in the sun and just let it get all warm and dried out, and it's great. I love that. Okay, so this is one of my longevity tips for brooms, is I like to get the little natural fiber brooms, and then as they wear down, because they do wear down pretty fast actually. This is a pretty new broom. I think I bought this broom a year or two ago. I can't quite remember. But I just take regular kitchen scissors and I trim the edges to keep it as even as I can. The middle does seem to go first on these kind of natural fiber brooms. There's nothing I can do about that. But just to give myself a little bit longer with the broom, so I'm still using it and it's still working well, because it doesn't sweep as well, especially for dust and particulates and things, if it's super uneven or raggedy at the ends. Woo! Biscuits! We made it through cleaning. Oh yeah, I feel like this was a good cleaning one. I feel like it was thorough. I did a lot of cleaning. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much for coming along. I really appreciate all the love that you have been showing the last month or two on Patreon. Thank you so much for subscribing there and being a monthly patron. It makes such a difference. I wouldn't be able to make these vlogs on here for free without your wonderful support on Patreon, so I really appreciate the positive messages on there, your fun participation in my chats and my polls, and just enjoying all the exclusive content that I put over there. It really means a lot to me that you enjoy it and that you're getting a lot of value out of that. So thank you so much. I mean that. I really do. It really helps me be able to make these videos, and I love creating on Patreon. So thank you all so much, all you patrons that also are watching on YouTube. I love you all. You are part of our fabulous Patreon community. I'm going to see you in the next video. Bum, 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 bum. Expect more cleaning videos over the next couple weeks because I have so much cleaning to do. Oh my goodness. And I have bought the cleaning supplies now, so I have no excuse but to clean along with you, biscuits.